Aura frames make it simple to share photos with loved ones anywhere in the world. The process starts by opening the Aura Frames app on your mobile device. Once you've selected your frame, look for the Add Members button or the Settings icon. This is typically found in the frame control interface. Enter the email address or phone number of the person you want to invite. You can also select contacts directly from your phone's contact list for convenience. The person you invite will receive a link to download the Aura app and create a free account. This process is completely free and only takes a few minutes to complete. Once they accept the invitation, your invited family member or friend can immediately start adding photos and videos to your shared frame. Aura recommends using a single account per frame owner for the easiest management experience. Aura frames use a cloud-based system for photo sharing. When you upload photos from your phone, they're sent to Aura's secure cloud servers with unlimited storage, then automatically delivered to your frame anywhere in the world. The Aura app provides comprehensive frame management tools. You can control slideshow timing, choose between chronological or random photo display, and set automatic on-off schedules for your frame. The Smart Selection feature automatically curates your photos. It updates your frame with new images, removes duplicates, and filters out low-quality photos, ensuring your frame always displays the best memories. Aura frames also feature intuitive touch bar controls. You can swipe directly on the frame to change photos or tap to view photo details, giving you hands-on control of your display.